Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by anchoring the paper to your table so it won't shift, tape corners down. Next, draw a straight baseline with your ruler to represent track level and lightly mark the train's length using your chosen scale. Use a compass or cup to plot perfect circular wheels and place wheel centers on the baseline. This first sketch sets proportions. Keep lines light so you can refine shapes once the overall balance looks right. Once the base shapes are in place, you begin refining. Convert blocks into a locomotive cab, boiler, and individual carriages by adding rounded edges and sloping roofs where needed. Make windows consistent in size and spacing using the ruler. Add wheel arches that align with your wheel centers. For repeated cars, trace one perfected car onto tracing paper and transfer it to keep uniformity. Make sure couplers and underframe lines match so the train reads as a single connected unit. You now commit to final lines. Slowly trace the best pencil strokes with a fine liner, pausing to ensure smooth curves and consistent line weight, then wait for ink to dry. Erase remaining pencil marks gently. Apply base colors, add darker tones for shadows under the chassis and inside wheel wells, and finish with small highlights on metal parts. If a line smudges or a color bleeds, lift pigment with a damp brush or redefine edges with a thin liner to restore clarity.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.